Cool, we are live. How's it, guys? I just wrapped up day three of Nick Sarav's Maker School program. And really, what on day three is you do is you just set up your UpWork profile. He basically gives you some tips on how to go about writing the introduction and the first kind of bunch of characters here. There's like a whole character limit. So, hyper focused and hyper. What's the word like there's a framework around a lot of the stuff he describes. So for example, every little character you should consider, and then the about, when you expand this, it goes into a bit more depth and that kind of stuff. But yeah, basically today I just did a lot of content. Actually, did my profile picture, which is, I kind of look like a dork there, but it is just a profile picture with a yellow background to make you stand out more. Your headline and some pricing about you. So the pricing has an interesting approach, which is don't make it something that is very generic, like $50 per hour, $60. Make it hyper focused, like 83.75 or 87.51. It makes it perceive as you have an operating cost, right? And you've calculated this value, even though you've just kind of thumbsucked it. So we'll have to see how that works once this profile's up and running. I did film this intro video, which was kind of like a pain. Like, I suck at content for now. I'm still gonna get better at it, but yeah, I just filmed this video. I did probably like 15 takes, which is quite bad, but it really is just an introduction video. It is like a minute on the dot. I didn't plan for that, but ultimately it just explains, just goes over this kind of stuff. So I'm just reading from a script in it, actually, and I was trying to get a one take wonder, but I can't freestyle. I mean, not freestyle. I'm freestyling right now, but I can't just record something perfectly. I suck at it. So my wife was holding some printed out transcript things and just slowly like moving over the piece of paper like this over the camera, which was like slowly like that. And yeah, it was quite a bit frustrating, but I filmed some videos like this before, some ads and stuff. Um, yeah, it was a mission to film. It took like half an hour, whatever. But edited, uploaded on YouTube, pretty much good to go. And yeah, there's not much else to say other than that. It's an UpWork profile. It's similar to LinkedIn. I guess you have an introduction. You have your work experience. I've probably put a way more time and way more effort into my LinkedIn. If we go here quick, my LinkedIn is pretty polished. It probably could be optimized now that I'm learning a bit more about the copywriting stuff. But I've put a lot of time into this. I've rewritten this about me section like a dozen times by now. But that's pretty much it for today. Pretty simple. I'm trying to make this content a bit more like engaging. So in the future, once I've ramped up, got a first client, celebrate some wins, that'll be fun to share with you. And yeah, I think it'll be awesome. I mean, there's nothing really I can chat about. I can't show you inside of his course, of course. That's kind of going against him, and I don't want to do that, just out of respect and stuff. But so far, so good. The course has been awesome. There's a community in there, and people are helpful. Once a week, I think twice a week actually, there's like a Zoom call with Nick, and you'll just run through questions that people have posted in the community. So yeah, really enjoying it so far. Keen to kind of just make a sale now, but obviously there's some preemptive kind of training and that kind of stuff that you have to do. And yeah, I'm just looking forward to it. I'm enjoying it, trying to be consistent. I think the hardest thing is actually being consistent day to day. The first month is actually like the building that momentum cycle, right? Just doing it every day for 30 days straight, no breaks. Um, which I'm used to. I've done things like that before. We've worked every day with no break at all. But once there's actually like once there's a bit of a accountability, it does become a bit more harder, and at the same time easier, right? You are like inclined to finish it and that kind of thing. So yeah, that pretty much wraps up today. I'm trying to get better content, trying to build thumbnails out and that kind of thing. I don't know if that interests you or not, but yeah, today was a good day. Waiting for tomorrow, and yeah, I'll have to see you tomorrow. This is just my daily check-in as we build out an agency, and yeah, it's going really well. Really enjoying the process. So see you soon.